I have found really weird special Windows versions that each come with their own quirks that you would have never imagined to see on Windows. Some of these systems are actually discontinued and never to be seen again. My goal is to try them out, see what went wrong and why they never made a return. Windows 10 Mobile was a mobile phone operating system released by Microsoft in the 16th of November 2015, and it was marketed as an edition of the PC counterpart to Windows 10. Back in the day, I actually had a Nokia Lumia phone with Windows 8.1 on it, so this is actually not my first rodeo. And this one does look very different from what I remember on my Windows Phone 8.1. So if we swipe left, it's going to open up like an apps selection. And I actually want to check out the settings first. What does it say on the settings? System, about, and god, the animations are so smooth actually. Windows 10 Mobile Insider Preview, and this is 2015. Let's see what's up with this one. What can I customize? The main screen or the desktop is just called Start or Start menu. Background, full screen picture, and what backgrounds do we have? These are Windows 10 desktop backgrounds, but they are like remade in mobile, for mobile. Tile transparency, I can adjust this one as well. Oh yeah, and now they are fully transparent. You can't even see them. I guess let's leave it at like 50 or something. What about the applications? Okay, so mobile versions of the same applications you see on Windows 10. Microsoft Edge. Does this one still work? Oh, I have to download it. Hi, I'm Cortana. Search the web on Windows. Would you like a personal assistant? I'm here to help. File Explorer, how does that one look like? This device downloads. Microsoft Edge setup. It really does remind you of Windows 10 PC. And what is this button? Start. I guess this one just takes you to the start menu, okay? And if you hold it... Oh yeah, this was the one feature which was called one-handed mode. Like if you're driving a car, you can just hold this one and then use your phone with one hand and then cause a car crash because you were not looking at the road. And I guess I have to close all of my applications so that it doesn't consume RAM or something. And what is this search feature? Please don't tell me that's Bing. I guess it's Cortana. Cortana and search. And we can change the color of all the tiles as well, that's cool. And that looks not very good. In October of 2017, Microsoft announced that they will no longer be developing features or hardware for Windows phones due to low market share and lack of third-party software developers for the platform. The next discontinued forgotten operating system we have is Windows 10 Team. The Surface Hub interactive whiteboard is getting discontinued as a product in general, but Windows 10 Team was specifically used in the Surface Hub 1 and 2 Ace models. Surface Hub 3 released in 2023 and used Windows 11 IoT Enterprise. There never was a continuation to Windows 10 Team. Getting ready for the next session, and we can see that it says this operating system is no longer supported. Core apps like Teams are no longer functional. Okay, and we have upgrade options. Call Whiteboard Connect. What is Whiteboard? It's like a whiteboard application. And what's interesting is that on this operating system we also have a start menu, and it looks very different from what you would see on something like regular Windows 10. It's tailored specifically for whiteboards. Let's check out the File Explorer. Okay, but the File Explorer does look very simplistic. I'm not seeing an option to create like a new folder. Wait, let's go to downloads, and what if I create a new folder? This is how you do it. What are these buttons up here? So this is close, this one is, I guess, make it even bigger, and this one is minimize. Oh no, it's like multitasking. Okay. Now I have a File Explorer and a whiteboard. Let's close both of them. What is this button? Speaker volume. Okay, that's the control center or something. And this is task view. Excel, feedback, File Explorer. Okay, maps, Microsoft Edge. And Windows 10 Team was actually discontinued only pretty recently in 2025, together with regular Windows 10. So stuff like Microsoft Edge and I guess some online services still works. I guess there's no reason why they shouldn't work. I wonder if we can change the background actually. And what is Surface Hub hardware diagnostic? I guess this is what you open when you have an issue. We can see that I have issues with touch sensor, pen, cameras, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, because I don't actually have a camera, a touch sensor, and all that stuff because I'm on a virtual machine. Let's go to settings. There's very few settings here. Welcome screen. Okay, and I can change the wallpaper. End session. Let's try this feature. What even is this? Yes. And I guess it's shutting down or no? The reason why the Surface Hub and its operating system got discontinued, it was a niche product for a niche niche audience, and it was really expensive as well. So I guess many businesses never really bothered with it. Microsoft reportedly struggled for years to gain any traction in the enterprise collaboration market. And there was even a 4th generation model planned, but that one is cancelled and the Surface Hub is never to be seen again. Last but not least, we get to Windows fundamentals for legacy PCs. And this is the one specialized operating system on this list that was not actually discontinued, but I wanted to check it out anyway because it's really amazing. Windows FLP was basically Windows XP but meant for lower spec and older hardware, and specifically embedded systems. The modern equivalent of this would be Windows 11 IoT Enterprise, which is also designed for embedded devices. And when we actually boot it up, it says Windows XP, so you might even assume that this is regular Windows XP. Okay. Windows fundamentals for legacy PCs. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete to begin. For some reason my regular user doesn't work, which I created, so I'm gonna have to use administrator. I'm just gonna hope that the password is also like admin or something. And it actually still has the Windows XP sound effects, even though I'm pretty sure you can't hear it on the video. Your computer might be at risk. Oh yes it is. And this is how the operating system looks right out of the box. We don't even have a wallpaper. That's a luxury. And the start menu looks so weird without applications. Okay. Like there's barely anything on this one. We have Windows Messenger, Media Player, and accessories. I mean, I guess there's only the most essential stuff. Let's go to My Computer Properties and I want to see what does it say. Microsoft Windows Fundamentals for Legacy PCs version 2006. But apart from a lot of applications missing, everything else seems... Why do the icons seem a bit different? At first I couldn't figure out why these icons seem a bit off. But then after some digging around, it turns out that these are Windows 2000 icons. I'm guessing this was probably done to save some space. Display property is not responding, my system is not working properly. My PC is so slow it can't even handle low spec hardware Windows. Background, none. We don't even have any backgrounds, seemingly. If you like this video, then you might also like this one next. And I'll be back.